Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Product Review Top 5. A soldering station is an indispensable tool for electronics enthusiasts, deers, and professionals alike. Whether you're working on intricate circuit boards or tackling household repairs, having a reliable soldering station can make all the difference. With a wide range of options available on the market, it can be a daunting task to choose the best one that suits your needs. That's where we come in. In this guide, we'll take a closer look at the top 5 best soldering stations available today. These soldering stations have been carefully selected based on their performance, temperature control, durability, and overall user satisfaction. So, if you're in the market for a soldering station that will help you tackle your soldering projects with ease and precision, keep reading to discover our top recommendations. Number 5. Top B8586 Soldering Station. The soldering iron heats up quickly and maintains a consistent temperature throughout my projects. With a wide temperature range from 200 degrees centigrade to 480 degrees centigrade, 392 degrees Fahrenheit to 896 degrees Fahrenheit, it's suitable for a variety of soldering tasks. Whether I'm working on delicate PCB components or heavier wires, the B8586 handles them with ease. The digital temperature control is precise and easy to adjust, ensuring accurate and reliable soldering. The soldering station itself feels solid and well-made, with a durable metal body that is built to last. The soldering iron is comfortable to hold and use for extended periods. The only minor downside is that the included stand is not as stable as I would like, and it can wobble a bit. However, this doesn't significantly affect the overall performance. The B8586 comes with a variety of useful features. The digital display is clear and easy to read, and the temperature adjustment buttons are straightforward to use. The auto sleep mode is a nice addition, helping to save energy and extend the lifespan of the soldering tip. It also includes a convenient soldering iron holder with a sponge and brass tip cleaner, which makes maintenance a breeze. Number 4. JCD 8898 Soldering Station. The first thing that struck me about the JCD 8898 is its solid and durable construction. The station feels sturdy and well-made, reassuring me of its long-lasting reliability. The sleek design and ergonomic layout of the controls make it user-friendly and a pleasure to work with. One of the standout features of this soldering station is its versatility. It offers two primary functions: a high-performance SMD soldering station and a dual-voltage 110V/220V soldering station. This flexibility ensures that you can tackle a wide range of soldering tasks, from intricate surface mount component work to larger-scale projects, without the need for multiple soldering tools. Temperature control is paramount when it comes to soldering, and the JCD 8898 excels in this regard. The hot air gun delivers an impressive 750 W of power and can reach temperatures ranging from 100 degrees centigrade to 480 degrees centigrade, providing ample heat for various applications. The soldering iron, with its 80 W power, is equally capable, with a temperature range from 180 degrees centigrade to 480 degrees centigrade. Number 3. JCD 8206 Soldering Station. One of the standout features of this soldering station is its precise temperature control for both the hot air gun and soldering iron. The hot air gun offers a temperature range of 100 to 480 with a power of 800 W, while the soldering iron can be adjusted between 200 to 480 and has a power range of 80 W 100 watts. This wide temperature range allows you to work on a variety of components with ease, from delicate electronics to larger soldering tasks. The inclusion of a USB interface for phone charging is a fantastic addition. It's incredibly convenient to have a power source right at your workstation for charging your devices. It's a small detail, but it's a time saver and adds to the station's overall practicality. The JCD 8206 is well constructed, and it feels durable and sturdy. It's clear that this soldering station was designed with quality in mind, ensuring that it can withstand the rigors of frequent use. Number 2. Yihua 882D Soldering Station. The Yihua 882D boasts a robust and well-designed build. The soldering iron itself feels sturdy and comfortable to hold, with an ergonomic handle that minimizes hand fatigue during extended soldering sessions. The station's base is also solidly constructed and doesn't budge while working, ensuring stability on your workbench. One of the standout features of this soldering station is its precise temperature control. The 882D allows you to adjust the temperature within a wide range, making it suitable for a variety of soldering tasks, from delicate surface mount components to larger connectors. The digital display is clear and easy to read, and it maintains the set temperature accurately. This level of control is essential for preventing damage to sensitive components. The soldering iron heats up rapidly, and it maintains a stable temperature throughout the soldering process. This quick heating and recovery time greatly increases my efficiency and allows me to complete tasks more quickly. Number 1. Yihua 853 AAA Soldering Station. The Yihua 853 AAA feels robust and well constructed. It's clear that the materials used are of high quality and the overall build exudes durability. The station has a modern design that looks professional and sleek. This soldering station is a multifunctional tool that combines a preheat plate, a hot air gun, and a soldering iron station. This makes it incredibly versatile and suitable for a wide range of soldering and rework tasks. Whether you're working on through-hole components, SMD soldering, or even BGA rework, this station has you covered. The hot air gun has an impressive flow rate of up to 120 Lmin, which is more than sufficient for most tasks. The temperature range from 100 to 480 degrees Celsius provides a wide range of options, making it suitable for desoldering and reflowing various components. Thanks for watching this video.